Okay, welcome back class. Now this is the second part of your same chapter, that is climate, class 9. Okay, now today we will study about the same thing, that is the onset of the monsoon and withdrawal. Onset means the arrival and the withdrawal means when it is going back. Okay, and it will go back after 6 month. Yes or no? ऐसा नहीं है कि ठंडी बारिश आई और चली गई, ऐसा नहीं. हमें बताया गया था कि मॉनसून क्या है, एक विंड है दैट डिपेंड ऑन द फ्लो ऑफ योर ocean or flow of your moisture. So these particular thing how it relate to onset मतलब मानसून का आना, और withdrawal मतलब होता है retreat of the monsoon, जो कि एक ग्रेजुअल प्रोसेस है. ठीक है, मोर ग्रेजुअल प्रोसेस कह सकते हैं इसे. विड्रॉल ऑफ मानसून का मतलब होता है रीट्रीट मतलब वापस जाना. ओके, तो हम हेडिंग समझ चुके हैं. अब आ जाते हैं स्ट्रेट अवे अपने टॉपिक पे. द मानसून आर pulsating winds affected by different atmospheric conditions encountered by it on its way over the warm tropical seas. So मॉनसून क्या है, एक नॉट लाइक अ ट्रेड विंड, नॉट वेरी स्टडी, इट जस्ट फ्लक्चुएटिंग इन नेचर. फ्लक्चुएटिंग मतलब है जिस तरीके से इसको प्रेशर एरिया मिल रहा है या जिस तरीके से इन्हें बैरियर्स मिलते हैं या रास्ता मिलता है, दे कीप ऑन मूविंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन. Monsoon arrived at the southern tip of the Indian peninsula gradually by the first week of June. Gradually by the first week of June, यानी कि I have explained this in our today's class only. And first reach in the first week of June near the tip of your south, यानी कि ये मान लीजिए आप. Next, the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal branches of monsoon merge over the northwestern part of the Ganga plain. सो जितनी भी मूवमेंट ऑफ एयर है यहाँ से और बे ऑफ बंगाल से, इट मर्ज एक साथ हो जाते हैं इन द योर नॉर्थन प्लेन एरिया दैट इज अबव योर गंगा प्लेन एरिया. द विड्रॉल और द रिट्रीट ऑफ मानसून, द विड्रॉल एंड द रिट्रीट ऑफ योर मानसून is more gradual process which began in the northwestern state of India by early September. और withdrawal of monsoon कब होता है? in early September, that is your by the mid October. वापस आना, ये हमने एक्सप्लेन कर ही दिया था बच्चे आपको. और विड्रॉल मतलब होता है मानसून का वापस जाना. मानसून विंड जो है वो अरेबियन वर्ल्ड में मौसम कहा जाता है. ये विंड जो है 6 महीने फ्रॉम सी टू लैंड मूव करते हैं एंड 6 महीने फ्रॉम लैंड टू सी. तो इस समय जो लैंड मूव, इस समय जो मॉनसून का मूवमेंट है वो है फ्रॉम लैंड टू सी, जिसको हम विड्रॉल ऑफ मॉनसून कहते हैं. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ द रिट्रीटिंग मॉनसून और द ट्रांजिशन सीजन्स see the change from hot rainy season to dry winter condition. So this change you will see in your areas of southern India where there is a dry rainy season or a hot rainy season and a dry winter condition. Dry winter condition is going on right now in our India, that is northern plain, and hot rainy season is condition of your Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, this area this time. Okay, the low pressure condition over the northwestern India gets transferred to the Bay of Bengal by early November, causing cyclonic depression originating over the Andaman Sea. If you see your map, you will notice this particular thing, that is the that is your pressure area which is created in the Andaman Sea because of the low pressure area condition due to the northwestern India and Bay of Bengal during the November time. And this is the reason that you will listen or heard about the cyclone will arrive or was arrived in the coast of your Orissa region. All right. So you look here, there is a season which is discussed here. The season, the types of season. The monsoon type of climate is characterized by a distinct seasonal pattern. The weather condition greatly changes from one season to the other. So the season, as we so far study, so we have four types of main season, that is the cold weather season, the hot weather season, and the advancing monsoon, and the retreating monsoon with some regional variation. So again we will discuss the same thing, that is in winter season, summer season, rainy season, and retreating post monsoon, the transition monsoon. Okay, one by one I will start. In the cold weather season, the northeast trade wind prevail over the India. Days are warm and nights are cold. Frost is common in the north, and the highest slopes of Himalaya experience snowfall. So the condition of this particular month is describing your whole cold season, which is explained in your book also. You can go through it, okay, read it. जिस तरीके से हमें यहाँ अभी ठंडी हवा जो है, या हमारा जो विंड है, वो अभी ठंडा हो गया, जिसकी वजह से हमें ठंड लग रही है या ठंड महसूस हो रही है. सेम वे हिमालय रीजन में एक्सपीरियंस जो हो रहा होगा लोगों को, वो स्नोफॉल हो रहा है. सो ड्यूरिंग दिस सीजन व्हाट हैपन दैट द नॉर्थ ईस्ट ट्रेड विंड्स प्रिवेल ओवर ऑल द country. Characteristics, you all know, the northern plain inflow of the cyclonic disturbance from the west and the northwest. Okay, and this is the month of a rabi crop to be cultivated. जो ठंड में या विंटर सीजन में जो क्रॉप्स लगाई जाती हैं उसको राबी क्रॉप्स कहा जाता है, दैट यू ऑल नो. Okay, then we have the summer month experiences the rising temperature and falling air pressure in the northern part of a country. So during your summer time you feel a very harsh climate, which is very heat up belt. There is also a low pressure area increases. A striking feature of a hot weather season are strong gusty hot dry wind blowing during the day over the north and northwestern India, called Lu. So this is the very most important thing. Okay, where the main characteristics is the Lu, which blow throughout your summer season, even to the evening time also. Okay, then you have this thing, that is in the advancing monsoon. Advancing monsoon means the arrival of your monsoon. Okay, and due to this there is a rainy season. The northwestern region of a country receives the maximum rainfall. Monsoon has a break in rainfall, thus it has a wet and dry spell. So there is a word, that is break. Break means there is some barrier which causes your rainfall or monsoon in a break, thus it has wet and dry spell. Okay, just go through this map. Okay, map is given here, you just go through this. You can see that monsoon arrived at the top of your southern point 1st June, then it moved to your 5th June. अब ऐसे क्यों दिया है, क्योंकि विंड मूवमेंट दिखाया जा रहा है. ठीक है, सो सेम वे if you come across, you can see our area receive this rainfall during 15 June or near about the last week of your June, and then the wind is very less in number in the Rajasthan. This is the reason that it having a low rainfall. There is another map which is given here. This map is about retreating monsoon or going back of monsoon. So 1st September it reaches to your Rajasthan area. Okay, and it just move backward as there is a high pressure area. Then it reaches to your southern tip at 1st December. So now your southern area having a high rainfall here, due to which is very important for their cultivation. So This is what we have explained just now, retreating of monsoon. You just read it, you will explain or you can able to understand this particular line. ओके, मौसमी राम जो मेघालय में वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. यहाँ पे जो आपको केव्स मिलते हैं वो स्टैग्मेटिक और स्टैग्लेटिक होते हैं. इसका मतलब होता है जो केव में ऐसी लाइनें बनी रहती हैं. लाइनें क्या कहेंगे, एक डिज़ाइन बन जाता है ऊपर की तरफ से भी और नीचे की तरफ से भी. इफ़ यू ओपन योर फ्रिज यू विल फील सम आइस और लाइक दिस, ऊपर से ऐसे और नीचे से भी ऐसे. सो दिस इज़ द वे विच इज़ नोन एज द स्टैग्मेटिक और स्टैलसेट केव. ऐसे केव वहाँ पे हैं. इफ़ यू सर्च यू विल फाइंड द राइट picture of this particular thing. Coming to the rainfall, distribution of rainfall owning the nature of the monsoon. The annual rainfall is highly variable from year to year. Area to a high rainfall are reliable to be affected by the flood, while the area for a low rainfall are drought to prone. So some areas which receive more amount of rainfall, they might feel this flood condition. If the area is receiving low rainfall they might feel a drought prone area. सूखा पड़ सकता है. So this is very important, you can go through it. Okay, next is your monsoon as a unifying bond. Okay, what is unifying bond? So unifying bond, how unconditionally your monsoon helps you in everyday possible surviving over the earth's surface. So here are the points. The dependence of farmer on rain. A change in seasonal cycle is also responsible due to the monsoon only. Variation in temperature also responsible for monsoon. The need of humans, plant and animal, festival dates, etc. all depend on monsoon in India. In this way monsoon is a unifying bond for Indians. So for Indian, monsoon is a unifying bond, means we are so connected with the monsoon that our farmer depend on agriculture. Our temperature condition also depend on your monsoon arrival and retreat. Okay, our festivals is also depend on your monsoon. Our monsoon only. Our animals, our survival all depend on our monsoon. Even our calendar is also depend on monsoon. monsoon के हिसाब से हमारा कैलेंडर, हमारा फेस्टिवल भी डिसाइड होता है. सो दिस इज़ अ very important bond with our monsoon. So this is your chapter. Okay, now last we have some map, just going through it. You can see this map. Are you able to see what it try to tell you? एनुअल रेनफॉल, जितना डार्क कलर है उतना ज़्यादा वहाँ पे बारिश होती है, वो समझाया जा रहा है एक पर्टिकुलर मैप से. इसको थीमेटिक मैप भी कहेंगे क्योंकि हम एक थीम के साथ चल रहे हैं. अब 400 सेंटीमीटर की बारिश आपके कौन कौन से एरिया में हुई है वो आप बता सकते हैं अब आराम से, क्योंकि अब आपको इंडेक्स समझ में आने लग जाएगा. अब देखिए अबव 400, तो अबव 400 योर केरला एरिया, गोवा एरिया, this coast area. Then 200 to 400 light purple area you can see. Then you have 100 to 200 this particular area, and then you have 40 to 60 here. All right, so you can go through it. It is very important, you can relate to it. And सीजनल रेनफॉल जून टू सितंबर में कहाँ सीजनल रेनफॉल आपको दिखता है? फ्रॉम जून टू सितंबर, दैट इज़ योर रेनी सीजन. जस्ट गो थ्रू वंस एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. ओके, देन यू हैव सम monsoonal effect, newspaper cutting. Okay, who suffering from the rainfall or who was barely holding why there is no rainfall. मतलब that is simply explaining the conditions of rainfall. If there is if there is a high rainfall, what are the condition of the people, if there is a less rainfall, what are the condition of farmers. So this is all your newspaper cutting. You can understand what are the things people suffer or what are the things people gain from the monsoon. So this is all your chapter. Okay, I just tell you to just go through the all questions and try to solve these questions by your own self. It will help you for your better understanding. Thank you class, have a very good day.